Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 6 divide 3 divide 6 divide 3. This looks simple, but still many people fail to solve because what they do 6 divided by 3 as 2 and 6 divided by 3 as 2 and 2 divided by 2 as 1, which is the incorrect answer and incorrect approach. Yes, you heard it right. When a same expression operation, this division repeating itself, then always solve from left to right. Yes, people miss this step that we have to solve it from left to right, and they do this mistake and reached at wrong answer. So if you are solving from left to right like this, 6 divided by 3 divided 6 divided by 3, so it gives 2 divided by 6 divided by 3. Now again left to right, 2 divided by 6 divided by 3, so this gives 1 by 3 divided by 3. Now we'll remove this division sign and put multiplication and do the reciprocal of right hand side. So it becomes, our final answer is 1 by 9, not 1. See that huge difference? If you take right approach, you will reach that right answer. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.